Bedtime with Geeta.
I Know I Can, written by Roland Taylor, illustrated by Jasmine Smith. Are you ready? Let's read. Hi, my name is Ryland. I love to go on adventures and discover new things. This is a story about me being brave. Can you be brave with me? Then let's go. Look at that ant crawling in the sand. You can pick it up and place it in your hand. Don't be afraid. I know that you can. I know that I can. Yes, I know I can. Look at that ladder. It's so very tall. I know you can climb it, so no need to stall. Don't be afraid. I know that you can. I know that I can. Yes, I know I can. Look at that swing. Oh, it looks very high. I know it looks scary, but just give it a try. Don't be afraid. I know that you can. I know that I can. Yes, I know I can. Look at that puddle. It's dirty and deep. It's okay to jump. Go ahead, take a leap. Don't be afraid. I know that you can. I know that I can. Yes, I know I can. Look at that potty. I'm scared I can't go. Just sit down and try. It's okay if you're slow. Don't be afraid. I know that you can. I know that I can. Yes, I know I can. Time to get dressed, but it's hard by myself. One arm at a time. If you need, I can help. Don't be afraid. I know that you can. I know that I can. Yes, I know I can. Look at those words. They look hard to say. Well, just sound them out. You can practice every day. Don't be afraid. I know that you can. I know that I can. Yes, I know I can. Look at those toys. I know you want them to stay, but you can give them away for another kid to play. Don't be afraid. I know that you can. I know that I can. Yes, I know I can. Be brave. Be bold. Be curious. Be you. Be confident in all of the things you can do. Don't quit. Don't stop. Keep trying. You'll see. Believing you can is the best you can be. Affirmations. I am curious. I am brave. I am bold. I am courageous. I am determined. I am capable. I am smart. I am generous. I know I can. I am a girl. I am smart. I am strong. I can do anything. I know I can. I hope you enjoyed this book and you've learned how you can do anything you want to do. Bye-bye. Be good for Mommy and Daddy.
Thank you for watching Storytime with Geeta. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on social media. 1, 2, 3. Read with me. See what's the next book is going to be. Pictures that are work of art, and some books that make you very smart. With words that bounce up off the page, they are good for children of every age. Learn the letters A, B, C, and stories that wow you and me. Grab your books and gather around and listen to Geeta read aloud. Sit and enjoy the relaxing tone and make one day you'll write your own. Don't forget to be good for mommy and daddy. Obey, respect, and help them daily. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye for now. But